See the rest, deal with the best. That's Waikato Sheds.
Hey.
Cheers, my brother.
Get a bit of that sugar in me to keep it juiced up for the afternoon. What do you think? Innovation, innovative technologies that have innovated the marketplace. It's what dreams are made of, you know?
Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. 5:30 a.m. first day of field days. Mark,
Jace,
Mike,
Jace.
We're here. We're ready to go. Mark, but what are you excited to see?
I'm excited to see tools. It's tool time, and I'm going to see every single tool.
I'm excited to go see the Field Days food shed and go try out all the yummy treats.
Yeah.
Awesome. We'll see you soon. We'll go there, see what the traffic's like. It's going to be hectic. It's going to be awesome. Boom. We're here. Field days. Looking awesome. Looking epic. We got through the traffic all good. Lines looking nice and hectic. But don't worry. We'll go grab a coffee and we'll see you inside.
1, 2, 3. You know you're dealing with a big truck when you're running 3 wipers. Alcoholic ginger beer. What? What's your favourite cow in Morrinsville?
The big one.
The big one, Mega Moo. It's my
Mega cow.
favourite as well. It's where all the moo juice comes from. You beauty. Cheers, fellas. This bloke strapped himself in to have a crash impact. Doesn't sound like my cup of tea.
See how it goes.
Whoa.
Bonnick, as we all know, he's after a big fat Polish sausage, so he's going to see what he can find out there.
Thanks.
Nice. He loves it.
That's it. Better hand it over to Mark so that he can help Bonnick find what he's looking for.
Beautiful. Let's go, Brondo. Get that sausage in ya.
Yay. I'm concerned.
Rightly so. You're here. Bronick's told me that he's going to buy a pool for his backyard so I can come over and swim in it next summer.
I want to buy a pool for my backyard. I've got to build a shed first.
No, pool first, shed second.
Well, oh.
Yeah, we need one of those at work.
This is so much better. This is amazing.
Like a moth to a flame, we've been drawn into this heater. Here we are at the tool shed. Don't do anything cheeky. This guy, he'll
Sort you out.
Yeah, he'll give you a firm handshake and a strong word. John, we're good, thank you. How are you? John, the draw, win $100.
Laser.
First thing I've seen here is a laser level, fantastic for building sheds. Set of nibblers.
Lifetime warranty on all our hand tools.
You know,
Got to have fun in the shed, mate. Man cave.
You got to do what you love doing in a shed. And as we say, you can do anything in a shed.
Well, what else can we do in a shed?
We can party.
Check it out. We got a little demo here showing the strength of their drills. It's heaven in here.
Oh, and it's this trailer's heaven. Imagine pulling up to site with that bad boy. Every tool you could ever dream of in there. Whoa. The robots are coming.
AI is taking over.
I'm not really sure what's going on here, but the robots, they're coming.
That's it. This machine seems to be able to drive in circles expertly.
That's it, because what you want to do is you don't want your trees getting stale, so you've got to drive them around in circles to aerate them and get sun on every side.
Work on a few different projects, basically trying to build the kiwi population throughout the North Island. We're here today with Tia, so I've got my dog in the crate over there. She's a kiwi conservation dog. Yeah, just that's sort of what we do for work. Just go around finding birds and trying to build those populations. Yeah.
And you know, you got to have some groovy beats on the job site, keeping everybody grooving, having a good
does
time.
It all. Wireless stereos, DJ systems, Makita, everything.
Excellent.
Looks good.
All right, Mikey, it's on.
Boom, let's
go. Do this.
Are we ready? We're all zeroed out. Are you ready, contenders? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let's do it.
Let's go.
Clocks are running. Top 2 go through the final. Let's do it. Let's do it. Who's second?
17.
14, 2 here. Well done, guys. That's awesome.
The old heart's going. I really got flustered for a second there.
The X-Lock. So hands on, guys. Are we ready to go? This is Heat 2, X-Lock Challenge. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! Mic's off.
We've got time and malfunction.
Oh yeah, nice.
How we
First
go?
one's on. Mike straight up. Oh no, he went upside down.
Top 2 times go through. Got first
Beautiful.
one there, 17.
He's flustered.
Plenty
Oh.
of day. Just there, top 10, but wait.
And Mike.
Wait.
Woo!
He gets it.
Beautiful.
Two at the end. Well done.
Congratulations, Mike. You
Thank
won a
you.
screwdriver set.
That's it.
It was tough competition out there.
It was. They were quick. They're pros.
Here's a tool that I've always wanted. It's a battery operated riveting gun. Look at this. This is right up my alley. Bit of mountain biking. Beautiful bike there. I assume that you see Bosch actually does the batteries for these electric e-bikes. So that's pretty cool to see. But you know, Fieldays, it's a big area and I'm getting pretty tired doing all this walking around. So I've talked to the guys and they said, oh, you can just borrow one of the ride-ons. So I'm going to cruise over to the still shop now and I'll see you over there. You've come to Fieldays, you've taken your hat off, you realise you're looking a bit rough. Pop down to Still and they can give you a haircut.
The sharpest cut in town.
The sharpest cut in town. Oh, lightweight, baby. They're really fantastic. Also weed eating, but also maybe you want to spice it up in the bedroom. Boom. A bit of a, on my dream list is a hole borer. Boring fence posts at home and things like that, putting up signs at work, you know, a must have for me in the back of the ute. Here we are, guys, we're at our awesome big stand. As you can see, we're inside, out of the rain, in the warmth, so come on in.
Awesome, we're here with Kev. He's a famous old face from Waikato Sheds. Tons of these cool sheds.
Absolutely phenomenal, the size of the drones that they're coming out with now. In the future, we'll probably be lifting sheds with drones. This is the face we want. Here we are. What's good? Oh, my mic's good. Hey, you're a beautiful dog.
We're here at Davey talking to
Davey Water Pumps talking to Sonny Bill Williams.
Mike
in the
Ken. The absolute legend himself.
If you need a pump, see Davey Water Pumps. If you need a shed, see Waikato Shed Company. The best sheds in the country by far.
G'day, we're here at Wraps and More getting lunch, and I'm going with a lamb wrap and a can of Coke to get a bit of that sugar in me to keep me juiced up for the afternoon. 24 seconds left, no pressure. It's always the last one you try, so don't worry, you'll get there. Oh, I knew it! We could be portaling through to another world with this. It's big, it's beautiful. If you need a big push head to put your portal in, you know, come see us. Oh, and then you got grinders, not the sort you download onto your phone. This is for some hardcore grinding. Look at that, beautiful. It's like Wheel of Fortune stuff. All right.
Oh, a massage.
Oh, that's
even
relieving
heavier.
that tension in my lower back.
Oh, now we're talking.
Bron Dog's a coffee man.
I'm a coffee connoisseur.
Yeah, if you want to wind them up, just ask them for a decaf.
Yeah, no, stop swearing.
Oh, it's blasphemy. Here's me old mate, the health and safety cow. He's got his steel cap boots on, keeping it safe, got the hard hat on, just fantastic. This is the sort of cow you want on site with you, taking care of business. Yum.
That's the best thing I can say.
I didn't keep my pie to rate it, I just ate it. It was fantastic and warm.
Oh, this is nice and cold.
Yeah, give us a look. Beautiful. Giving them away for free, which is cool.
That's heaven.
Come on down and get yourself a treat.
All right, we're wrapping up the day. Waikato Sheds, we've been having a good time. We're at the Good George tent. We need a drink. There's long lines, but it's going to be worth it.
Beautiful.
That's limited at 4. I tried to get 8.
Yeah.
highlights of the day. Definitely would be trying all the different cheeses that they had around.
I hear you won some screwdrivers.
I did win some screwdrivers at the Bosch. They had a challenge on who could do their quick angle grinding change the fastest, and I won.
Highlights for me, meeting a lot of good people, having some really good chats. seeing some people that I've built sheds for before and saying hello to them and seeing how they're enjoying their sheds. Having a bit of a wander around, getting a nice free ice cream, that was yum. Enjoying the day, spending it with good people and spending it with the team. It was really cool.
That's it. Nothing's more Waikato than the field days, so I'm going to raise a toast to the field days and the mighty Waikato.